Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, wonderful week. Listen, I'm coming to you quickly here today because I got a good resource for you that I think you enjoy, that I think it will help you on your entrepreneur journey. Just to remind you what this YouTube channel is all about. It's all about entrepreneurship. So if you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, in-app marketer, and just want to be able to grow your business and want tools, resources to help you do that, then you're at the right channel. Just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, on the very right there should be a little bell. Click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. So this is something that I just found just recently. It is the Better Life Challenge by my good friend Dean Graziosi. He actually wrote the book Millionaire Success Habits. So if you haven't gotten that book, highly recommend that you get that book. But I want to talk about this challenge that he has going on, and I thought that this would be great for you as I went through the challenge and saw what it's about and how easy it is, the challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of go over a little bit of the challenge, but I will leave a link at the bottom so you guys can take advantage of the challenge, because it's a 30-day challenge, but I think it'll get you the right thing that you can do on a daily basis to help you get to that next level. You know, we're still in the new year, so let's go through it real quickly. So it's the Better Life Challenge. Again, I'll leave a link at the bottom so that you can join the challenge. But it says gain the secrets to more freedom, money, and happiness in just 2 minutes a day, and also have a chance to win some crazy cool prizes like a new Tesla. Well, when I saw that, that got my attention. I was like, okay, let's check this out a little bit more. But as I go through here, there's a little video that you can watch here. I won't go through that. I'll let you guys watch that on your own. But to join the challenge, it is totally free to actually join this challenge. But if you go down just a little bit, we could probably look at a couple of things about the challenge. So it's basically a fun, easy challenge designed for today's busy life. So here's what you can expect with the Better Life Challenge. Small but powerful daily challenges for 30 days, just a couple of minutes a day. It's fun, friendly, local, a national competition, and they have an incredible prize giveaway of, yes, a Tesla, which is pretty cool. Also, you can invite your friends to do this. They give you points for inviting your friends and loved ones, and award you different prizes. But this actually what the Better Life Challenge can do for you. And here it is. It says, what does your better life look like? You want more money in your bank account? You want more free time to spend with your family and loved ones? More energy to easily get things done? More fulfillment and less stress in your day-to-day life? A healthier lifestyle with the body you've always dreamed of? I'm not sure what a better life looks like for you, but what I do know is these small daily shifts that you're getting in this challenge will help get you there. So that's basically what the challenge is about. I just want to share it with you guys so that you're aware of it. Take advantage of it. It's free. A great challenge, guys. So take advantage of it. I said I will leave a link at the bottom. That's my video for the day. Again, something to inspire you. You're an entrepreneur, so you know that you can have the tools that you need to get to the next level. But if you don't continually work on your mindset, do things to help you grow your mindset, do things to help you get out of your comfort zone, then you know that you're probably not going to have much success in your business. So that's my quick tip for today. That's a research for you that I found and that I thought I would share with you as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, be sure to click that little like button. If you do want to share it with friends and family, share that video out. Anything you can do to get this message about this Better Life Challenge. It's easy, and it takes about 2 minutes a day to help you go to the next level. God bless you guys. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. I will see you on the next video. Peace.